Okay, so Tina, I'll be visiting real estate offices to introduce myself to real estate agents that may be there. Are there other ways that I can introduce myself to real estate agents, other forums?
One thing that I had a lot of success with was stopping by open houses. There's real estate signs out all over the city where they show that they're having an open house, and I would go visit those. Sometimes there's not a lot of foot traffic and not a lot of people coming in, so you have a lot of one-on-one time talking to that realtor about what we can offer to their customer, to either to the seller or to the buyer.
Okay. Are there any other places that I can go?
I would go to networking events that realtors hang out at, and at the Greater Las Vegas Area of Realtors Association. Then they have classes constantly that you can sponsor, which means you're taking in breakfast or lunch for the group of realtors that are attending classes. At National Home Warranty, we also have classes each month for realtors where we bring them to another location away from Galvar and host them for a CE class.
I see. Continuing education class.
Yes.
And how would I learn when those are scheduled and where they're going to be, Tina?
Well, we have them every month, usually on First Friday, and at a location away from our office and away from Galvar. So they would just check with me. We also have a Facebook page for National Home Warranty, and we post it on there as well. We create an event page from our National Home Warranty page. So those classes are always there, and you can RSVP there, and then it shows a phone number to call to pay the tuition early so you can save a few dollars.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.